Hello friend, today we are going to discuss about the insertion sort. In the previous lecture, we had seen the selection sort. The selection sort is nearby the same as the exchange sort. Assume we have a list containing the elements. By applying the selection sort, the first element is compared with all the remaining n minus 1 elements. The smallest element is placed at the first location. Again the second element is compared with the remaining n minus 2 elements, and if the atom found is lesser than the compared element in the remaining n minus 2 list, then the swap operation is done. And in this type the entire array is checked for the smallest element and then swap. This is about the selection sort. And in the previous lecture we also see the bubble sort. What the bubble sort technique? What is the logic of bubble sort technique? The bubble sort is commonly used the sorting algorithm. In this type, two successive elements are compared and swapping is done if the first element is greater than the second one. This is the simple algorithm bubble sort. Now we are going to discuss about the insertion sort. The insertion sort is based on the idea that one element from the input element is consumed in each iteration to find its correct position, the position to which it belongs in a sorted array. So it iterates the input element by growing the sorted array at each iteration. In the insertion sort, the element is inserted at appropriate place. For example, consider an array of n element. If this type, swapping the element is done without taking any temporary variable. The greater number are shifted toward the end of the array and the smaller are shifted at the beginning. Hence, in a real life example of playing card can be seated. We keep the card in increasing order. The card having least value is placed at the extreme left and large one at the other side. So in between them the other cards are managed in ascending order. So this is the insertion sort. If the current element is greater, then it leave the element in its place and move on the next element. Else, it find its correct position in the sorted array and move it that position. So this is done by shifting all the elements which are larger than the current element. So in the sorted array to one position ahead. So friend, we are going to show the implementation of the insertion sort. Here I can take the function insertion sort. I pass the array and n element. So here in the for loop, suppose I initialize the temp variable to a of I. Now I again initialize the I value to j. Now check whether the adjacent element in the left side is greater than or less than current element. Whether the adjacent means neighboring element, in the left side is greater than or less than the current element. So we take this condition, j is greater than 0 and this is bitwise operator, and temp bitwise AND operator, and temp is less than a of j minus 1. Now if this condition is true, then moving the left side element to one position forward. So we can forward this element like that, a of j minus 1 assigned to a of j and j is decrement by 1, and here moving the current element to its correct position, a of j equal to temp. So this is the logic of this insertion sort. Now we see diagrammatically. Take this array, a array, and it contains 4 elements, 7, 4, 5 and 2. So first step is that here no element on the left side of 7. So 7 is the starting element, so no change in its position. Now in the second step, here by checking on the left side of the 4. So 4 and 7 are compared with each other. As 7 is greater than 4, therefore 7 will be moved forward and 4 will be moved to 7's position. That means they will be exchanged. So this will be look like that. 4, 7, 5 and 2. Now in the third step, here checking on the left side of the 5. So we move toward the 5. Now 5 and 7 will be compared with each other. As the 7 is greater than 5 and 7 will be moved forward, but 4 is less than 5. So no change in the position of 4 and 5. It will be moved to the position of 7. So the outcome is look like that 4, 5, 7, 2. Now in the next step, fourth step, here checking on the left side of the 2. So as all the element on the left side of the 2 are greater than 2, so all the element will be moved forward and 2 will be shifted to the position of 4. That means 2 is compared with directly with the 4. It is not compared because here for checking on the left side of the 2 all the elements are greater than 2, then it will be shifted, it will be compared and shifted on the position of the 4. So since 7 is the first element, has no other element to be compared with, so it remains at its position. Now when on moving toward 4 and 7 is larger element in the sorted list and greater than 4. So move 4 to its correct position, that is before 7. Similarly with the 5 as 7 is the largest element in the sorted list and it is greater than 5, then we will move 5 to the correct position. Finally for 2, all the elements on the left side of the 2 are moved one position forward as well as greater than 2, and then 2 is placed in the first position. Finally it given array will be result in the sorted list. The sorted array is like that: 2, 4, 5 and 7. So the time, what is the time complexity of the insertion sort? In the worst case, each element is compared with all other elements in the sorted array. So for n elements there will be n raised to 2 comparisons. So therefore the time complexity is order of n square. The time complexity of insertion sort is order of n square. So friend, this is the theoretical representation of the insertion sort. Now we see practically how the insertion sort is work. I go to the editor, Turbo C editor. I have already typed this program. I open that program. This is the insertion sort program. So here I take a function print array. Wait a minute, I open the another program. This one. In this program there are n, I, j and temp variable. Here is the ARR of 64. Enter the number of element. Here the number of element is n. Then enter the integer. Enter the integer. Now here see that this is the main logic. Here for loop, for I equal to 1, I is less than n minus 1 and I plus plus. Here value of I is assigned to j. Now while j is greater than 0 and ARR of j minus 1 is greater than ARR of j. Here temp is assigned, ARR of j is assigned to temp and ARR of j minus is assigned to j, and temp is assigned to ARR of j minus 1, and we decrement j by 1. So in the insertion sort we compare the element in it will be inserted at the appropriate position. So this is and here we print the sorted array. Suppose I compile that program and run that program. Suppose I take 4 element, enter the 4 integers. Suppose I take 12, 11, 13 and 14. Then sorted list will be like that: 11, 12, 13 and 14. This is the simple logic of the insertion sort. This is the insertion sort program. Now you should compare these three algorithm. We had already we completed in the sorting technique. We completed 3 algorithm: bubble sort, selection sort and insertion sort. These 3 algorithm are you can write down this algorithm and see the logic of this algorithm. Thank you, friend.